Oh hey, if you want to get freaky in the bedroom with paint, you're gonna love today's episode. Ooh baby, it's Laugh Cry DIY, I'm your girl Katie, and today we are continuing our very exciting desert Airbnb makeover by tackling a very exciting, very sexy, or very fun and playful and family friendly bedroom. We are standing here in the bedroom of a very fun, very cool Airbnb rental in Joshua Tree, California. And my friend John from Super Simple Real Estate on YouTube reached out because he wanted to add a lot of fun and a lot of personality and a lot of desert drama to this rental. Now, this bedroom has already been drastically transformed because when he first got it, it was a pea soup green. And while we love color and we love soup, I told him to wipe the slate clean, paint the room white, and we will start from scratch with a beautiful white blank canvas. White and blank is something I have also been called. Now, the common theme for this full rental is going bold and bright and fun, while also embracing desert palettes. We're talking golden mustards, terracottas, moody, vibey colors. And one thing about renting an Airbnb is that you don't just want to create obviously a beautiful, fun space for people to come enjoy, you also want it to be eye-catching on Airbnb. So when we designed this whole house, we thought in ways to just add fun color, grab the eye, make it fun, and work within the constraints of every room. And although this room is a totally decent size, one great way to make a room feel a little bit more exciting and a little bit bigger is to actually paint half of the wall. This creates a visual illusion that lengthens the room. It doesn't require you to commit to full color, but it's a very fun kind of technique to make things feel a little bit more exciting. So in this room, we are gonna double down and we're gonna do a half painted wall 360. And these are chalk pencils, which are amazing because they just wipe right off the wall. If you do this in a pencil line, you might hate your life a little bit when you have to clean it up. So I just have my 4-foot level. If you have a laser level, congratulations, you're living a very glamorous lifestyle. And we're just taping off, and I'm just putting this right above that line. Now, you've heard me say it once, you've heard me say it twice, you're gonna hear me say it 5,000 times more. Painter's tape alone will not give you a crisp, clean line. What you need to do is paint a thin line of your base color along that tape to seal it, seal the pores, and therefore none of your over color will bleed under that tape. ASMR for the freaks. You guys, spider, desert spider, striped, venomous, or just glamorous. Ooh baby, we are taped and painted and sealed, and now it is time to officially reveal today's color. Now, we went with a beautiful mustard yellow in the other room, and in this one we wanted to get a little bit more like moodier and fun and mysterious and sexy. If teal and turquoise and emerald green had a baby, it would be this. It is Romantic Isle by Glidden. So pretty. If anybody has tips on how to pour paint in a way that is not just an absolute disaster, would love to know. Now, you know I forgot to tape under these, and I don't know if I totally have enough painter's tape. So I'm gonna use this, it's an edger, and it has these little wheels, and so it goes along trim perfectly and leaves a beautiful straight line. So I'm just loading this up with a brush. That way we avoid dunking it and then getting stuff on those wheels. Boom. Okay you guys, we have coat 1 on. It is beautiful. I'm gonna take a nap and then we're gonna do coat 2 and then we'll be back. And we have some beautiful, gorgeous, bold, bright walls. And now it is time for the sexiest time on this channel, tape pulling. Because I wasn't sure how opaque this color was gonna be and I wanted to check it in the morning, we did let the tape dry overnight with the paint on it. And when you do that, especially around baseboards, if you don't rip it off when it's a wet edge, it can actually peel up the paint you just did. So you always wanna run a little blade cutter through it to cut the tape officially, and then that ensures that when you peel it back, it comes up a lot nicer. Oh hey, would you look at that? What do we have? We got a brand new bed, baby. This is a beautiful, low kind of platform bed. It has gorgeous wood. It is nice and soft and comfy, and we kind of liked that it was low so that the room feels a little bit bigger, so that the fan isn't like basically in your face. And it really just kind of makes it a vibe. Know what I mean? We have also added this beautiful little geometric sort of tribal pattern rug. It's super soft and cozy on your feet. It has a little color in it for fun. And I would have done a really dramatic kind of like rug rollout shot, but to be honest, it was kind of hectic getting things in. But oh, she's so beautiful. And she will be linked below, as will anything we bought today. All right, now before we finish the bedside, let's talk about the foot of the bedside, which is this little mini wall. Obviously, we did the color 360 around the whole room, and we wanted to add those really fun pops of color wherever we could. And as you know on this channel, we love to DIY, we love to repurpose, and the previous owner left a lot of furniture here. John and crew got rid of most of it, but there was one piece, he didn't want to get rid of it, but he didn't know what to do with it. He kind of wanted to paint it, and I said, yes, please do that, and please do it without me because I don't feel like painting it. So what is the bold, exciting, drama-full moment we can put here? 1 second. Oh. Everyone say hi to my sister. She's unpaid labor, per usual. Oh, what's this? A two-tone electric heater fireplace. If you guys didn't know, in the winters gets hella cold in Joshua Tree. Shout out to John for undertaking this project. I'm sorry we didn't film it. We've been doing this over the process of many months, but I am absolutely obsessed with this two-tone color. This is the yellow from the living room. If you haven't seen the living room makeover, it is linked below. I absolutely adore it, and most importantly, I adore the fact that I didn't have to do this project. Now, originally we talked about maybe doing a chest of drawers here, but a TV is always helpful for relaxing, watching movies at night. So this leftover piece of furniture actually ended up working out perfectly. Will we be louder? And throughout this space, we keep thinking of ways to make form and function work together. And because, like I said, sometimes the desert gets really cold, and this is an Airbnb, you wanna have those blankets handy. So we realized that with a few cute little bookends, you could actually make a little colorful blanket grab station right here. Perfect. You guys, oh, look at these colors. So gorgeous. Help me, Ingrid.
No, I don't think I will.
And because the whole theme of this Airbnb is Cosmic Cowgirl, John has been collecting and or creating art pieces on his own to reflect the theme. And so we have our very groovy custom piece by John of the hand that watches over you while you sleep. Am I missing it?
Yes.
I got it. We also have our very groovy, very California surfing cowboy. Woo! I keep missing it, but there we go. And for bedding, we have this beautiful mustard yellow, brownish terracotta, desert colors. Beautiful. Now, obviously, every Cosmic Cowgirl needs a nightstand, and we wanted to do something kind of like funky and interesting. So what we did was we actually got these. They are very cool, very geometric. They look like they were carved out of wood, but they are actually ceramic. There's no good way to get this shot. I have to lie on the bed. You get it. Now, I feel very strongly about like bedside lamps being like helpful and functional and practical, especially in an Airbnb. And most importantly, they gotta be a little funky. We found this really cool, interesting antler lamp, and best of all, it has USB charging ports, which helps guests stay charged and refreshed and ready for more adventures. I also think these are kind of funky and cool because, as you will see, there's a light bulb here in between the antlers and one above. But it's just cool little funky detail like that. It's a little surprising and unexpected, but very cool. Now, we did this painting, we have the bed, but we really wanted a kind of wow moment above the bed. And one thing John really wanted was a neon. And if you don't know, neons can be quite pricey. And I think they're very fun, especially in a vacation spot. But we were talking more and more, and I was like, can we make the piece a little bit more than just a neon sign hanging on the wall? Can we make it a little bit more of its own art piece? And we came to the idea of like, what if we could put the neon into an actual framed art piece? And so John found this incredible print. We had our friends at insert name here craft the neon and embed it into a painting. we decided to do a framed portrait of the Joshua trees in Yucca Valley and embed John's favorite catchphrase inside, which is, yuck yeah. I absolutely love how this came out. I considered trying to DIY a version of my own, but sometimes you gotta let the pros do the pro thing. It is massive, takes up so much space, and it is such a beautiful, fun piece of framed art to really give the room the vibe. Hold on. Also, the neon is like adjustable, so you can kind of decide how yuck yeah you wanna get. And again, in the interest of cord control, I am going to command strip the little neon controller to the nightstand so that people aren't like digging behind trying to figure out how it goes on or off. It's the little things, people. Ooh, totally can't see it, but it's working. And we're just adding our last bits of flair, including our beautiful custom Cosmic Cowgirl coasters. Hold on to your hats and glasses, folks, because you're about to see the cutest thing in the world, which is our baby succulent pillows. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And you guys may remember John and I went shopping for faux plants. I will link that video below. But these are just little Ikea guys. I love their little wavy lines, fun, funky pattern. It just adds a little pop just where you need it. And just for fun, let's tuck this little guy in here. We're making a planter later, but we want to source a funky one from a local business. So for now, she's just gonna be naked. And now it's every cowgirl's favorite time, reveal time. Well, folks, I'd say we did it. We painted, we neoned, we yuck-yad, and we created a beautiful, fun desert space for any of you to come to. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you want to. If you would like to stay at the Cosmic Cowgirl, the Airbnb is linked below in the description. If you haven't seen the other makeovers we've done in this space, they are linked below. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap. Oh, but before we go, one more exciting thing. If you stay at the Cosmic Cowgirl, you will walk into this bedroom and then you will realize that there is a secret door in the room. And what the heck does that go to? It's the Dolly Arcade. Look, look, look. This is the official Dolly Arcade at the Cosmic Cowgirl house. We didn't get to film this because they were putting this together as we were going, but it is the all black light video game room featuring a Dolly Parton neon cassette tape, Dolly Parton portrait, and original cool games. I wish I could take credit for designing this, but I didn't. I just wanted you guys to see that it is so cool. You can check out the full Airbnb listing. You can book your stay. You can stand exactly where I'm standing. You can wear the exact hat that I am wearing. You can hold the gun that I'm holding. And most importantly, I hope you guys had fun watching and joining this journey, and stay here. It's really cool. Bye.